Hello there and welcome in this lecture in which I'm going to show you how you can utilize the ID. So go to this platform that I shared the link with you in the resources of the lecture. It's the-id.com. This website can actually make images talk. And if you go there, you can start a free trial. In my case, I'm just going to log in. Now, in my case, I'm logging in because I already have an account. As you can see here, I've made plenty of characters talk, mainly AI, and some of them for my new website. But in this case, we're going to go to Leonardo and we'll generate a picture or an image of Gandalf. You can generate it using whichever model that you like. In my case, I'm going to generate the image of Gandalf using photoreal. So I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to say Gandalf. Hopefully, they don't give me a politically correct answer of Gandalf is copyrighted. Or what we can do to stay away from any issues, what we can do, we can say wizard that looks like Gandalf, so that way we're not really stealing anything from anyone. Looks like Gandalf. So this way, and we're gonna say but with blue hair. Okay, so we'll say that it's a wizard with blue hair, assuming people might think these are the blue wizards that are not yet shown, or were never actually shown. We never got to see the blue wizards in the Lord of the Rings. But here, it's gonna start. Wizard that looks like Gandalf but with blue hair, and after that we're gonna take that picture and we're gonna make it talk. And how you do that is basically, first of all, you need a voiceover or a text. In my case, I'm gonna go to the ID, click on create a video, and you should do it too. In the ID, you can upload a picture, and you have two ways of how you can make it speak. You can either write what you want it to say here, or you can simply upload an audio from your computer. In our case, we already have an audio. And under the free trial, I think you have 20 credits, which should be enough to generate maybe 10 videos or sometimes less, depending on how big the audio is. Because I have the audio, I'm going to go and upload it first. But actually, I think it's the other way around, because I think we have to have the picture first, then we can basically make it talk. So here we have this picture, we have this picture. I'm going to go with this one. But first, I need to unzoom the image. So I'm going to unzoom it so that we can see the pointy hat of the blue wizard that looks pretty much like Gandalf. And as you can see, there's a high level of degree of photorealism in these pictures because I'm using the photoreal model. But I would assume that Leonardo Diffusion and the other models are also capable of doing such things. And yeah, so now we have the unzoomed image. All I need to do is click View Unzoomed Image. Now I can see the entire landscape, and hopefully I can see the entire hat. Yes, I do. Now I can download. I don't need to smoothen this or anything. And then what we need to do, we need to come here to the ID, click on Add, and basically just add in your picture of Gandalf. And by the way, the ID are quite sensitive. If you add a picture of a celebrity or someone, they will not accept it because they will know using the facial recognition which person that is. And so make sure that the images they're uploading are not looking like someone in real life. Hopefully this doesn't. So let's just wait. Hopefully they will find if they can recognize facial features. I've tried in the past to upload robots, but robots, because they don't have any face, they cannot make them talk. You have to upload a face-like person. So the voiceover we're trying to upload is voiceover number 1, which basically is the starting voiceover. And since we're going to upload that voiceover, we can just not use it in the video. So now we uploaded the voiceover and everything. I can click generate video. And here it will take me just 1 credit, which is very surprising considering that it used to take more. I think they're slowing down. DID Agents Limited release is now open. Join waitlist. Okay, let me just click here, but not now. Let me do it in another time. But now we can watch the video. So let's play this video and watch it together. 1, 2, 3.
Ever wondered why Bilbo reacts so strongly when Smaug says precious? Let's debunk this in 60 seconds.
As you can see, we kind of made that Gandalf talk. There's an issue with the hat. I think we can hide it in the video. But now let's go ahead and click on download this video. So let's go to CapCut in the next lecture and assemble everything that we have now created. And basically, we can create our YouTube short, and then we need to move on with the other video that we're also going to create, which is going to be a standard YouTube video. See you in the next lecture.